Hello friends, welcome to Quickly. Today I am going to show you how to create your own menu in Microsoft Excel. If you want to create your own menu or tab in Microsoft Excel, follow this simple tutorial. Excel by default has the following list of menus: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, and some other listed here. So sometimes you can create your own tab and insert the most frequently used tools from the list of these tabs and tools. So to do that, the first thing what you are going to do, go to File, then go to More. Sometimes options will be available here. If it is not there, click here More, then choose Options. Then after that, go to Custom Ribbon. In this Custom Ribbon, this one Excel option, under this custom ribbon, this customize ribbon list, list of popular commands are here. This one is customize the ribbon option. So in this case, what you are going to do, this Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, and some other listed here are default menus or tabs available in Microsoft Excel. File, Home, Insert, Page Layout shown here. So let us minimize this one. If you want to insert the new tab between Home and Insert, just click the top one, Home. So it will be, the new tab will be next to the Home tab, which means between the Home tab and Insert tab. If you are clicking this one, it will be between the Page Layout, between this and between the Insert will be the new tab. So the first thing, choose the area, the location where you want to insert the new tab. In my case, I had chosen Home, so the new tab will be next to Home and before the Insert tab. Then after that, click here New tab. Then you can rename your new tab like this. Rename it. So my menu, I chosen this name. Then okay, so it is now changed. Then you can also insert the new group. You can also rename the new group if you want, otherwise just you can keep it like this. Then after that, what you are going to do, just choose any one of these tools. As an example, File, Color, then add to this, to the new group. Click in New Group, then Add. You see now it is under New Group, which is under this My Menu. Then font size, add, cut, add. If I want chart as an example, add. And if I want functions, add. Then font size, font color, add. So then after that, what you are going to do, just choose this OK. Then after that, you see my menu, it is located between Home and Insert. So the new menu has the following tools: fill color, fill size, cut, all chart type, insert function, and font color. So you can use these tools according to your requirement. So this is how you are going to create your own menu in Microsoft Excel. If you want to delete this, you can go back to File, there are more options, then go to Custom Ribbon. Then if you don't want this ribbon, you can right click, then remove. You see now it is removed. Then after that, okay, now it is gone from the list of tabs. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.